What's up guys, welcome back for another video. Today we take a look another unboxing Apple Watch Series 5. When you open up the box, two boxes. One is for the strap, one is for the watch itself and the charger. So first we just gonna open up the box, the small box, which is for the strap. This comes with one strap, but there's an extra length for your, if you need a bigger one, you can swap it as well. So the second box is where all the good stuff. It comes with a space gray aluminum case, and there's a 1 meter magnetic charger cable and a USB power adapter. Is 5 watts for your charging your Apple Watch. This is how you put your strap on your Apple Watch. All you need to do, you slide it to from the left to the right. Very simple, that's it. And when you want to turn it on, all you need to do, press the side of the button and it will turn it on. As you can see, take a look, the Apple Watch here. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a b-roll what it look like. So this Series 5 is a space gray. I'll choose space gray because I like black color. On top of that is come with a regular spot band, so it's really good for if you're using it in the sport or you go to the gym, and classy as well. So the reason I want to buy Series 5 instead of Series 3, so I'm just gonna go through a comparison for Series 5 instead of 3. Even though the Series 3 is a little bit cheaper compared 5, the first reason is the display. The display is a little bit bigger compared to the Series 3, so that I can take a look, I get more display, for example the map or the call or messages. On top of that, the Series 5 they come with always on retina display, so always on, that's the good thing. So for a Series 3 you have to raise your wrist to display the time, which is kind of annoying. The technology inside of it, for example the Series 5 is dual core S5 chips in it, compared the Series 3 is dual core S3 chip, which is older chip. So yeah, that's a little bit sum up unboxing Apple Watch Series 5 in 2020. Hopefully this video will help you decide which one Apple Watch you want to buy. As always guys, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, just thumbs up, share with your friend, and I'll see you next time.